Hey, what's up, Theta Network holders? So this is live price prediction of Theta Network, and I have very special news for all Theta Network holders. So must watch this video completely to understand better now. Remember that the Theta Network update is going to be very good now because in last 24 hours the Theta Network price is very hardly increasing now. So I'm so happy, remember that to upcoming time the Theta Network price will also increasing now, and there is a chance, remember that. So thanks you so much, my brother. All right, so this time this is just an only, my friend, depend on short time investor. If you are a short time investor, so if you are starting selling hoarding, so that's definitely, my friends, they will make you millionaire now, they will give you a profits now. But definitely, my friend, you can see here after a short fair every coin will take a very huge jump now. So when you see, my friend, the short pairs, so you decide, my brother, so this is my friend, not a good time, and absolutely we are going down. So please don't do this, my friend, and absolutely you need to wait, and absolutely if you wait, so I hope, my brother, you will never lost. So this time, my brother, the price very badly decreasing but in previous days, but the current condition is very good now. You can see here last 24 hour minus 3.46% they are profit, so I think this is very good now, brother. But if you check out, my friend, the price 5.95 USD dollar, the price is very slowly increasing now. And definitely, my friend, you can see here this time, I think the price is show you can see, just only focus on the chart. So this chart is clearly told, my friends, to upcoming time they will form stuff like that. But because, my brother, the three charts is going to be same now, is equal now. So therefore I know, my brothers, to upcoming time they will give you a profits now. So please don't miss this chance and take a risk and get a profit. See you next time, holder. Please like video and don't forget to subscribe this channel. Allah Hafiz, take care.